kids, I am Chandrima. Welcome to HDSC Education. We will learn something really exciting today. Today we will learn the new chapter. The chapter name is Bird's Body Part. So don't waste time and let's start. Now look kids, birds have 2 legs to move around. Most birds have 4 toes on each foot. Each toe has a curved and pointed claw at its end. What is claw? Look, the bird's leg. Claw means bird's leg. Okay. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, to protect them, and to sit on tree branches. Different birds have different type of feet and claws. Swimming bird. Aquatic birds such as duck and swan have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The front toes are jointed together by skin called web. Such feet are called webbed feet. They help the bird to swim by pushing the water backward. They also have oil glands under their skin that help them to keep their feathers waterproof. Climbing birds. Birds such as parrot and woodpecker prefer to walk up and down tree trunks on feet. They have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. Such toes help them to climb up and down a tree. Perching birds. Perching birds have 4 bendable toes there, 3 pointing forward and 1 backward. The feet of birds such as crow, sparrow, etc. have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Why would perching birds need this kind of feet? They use their toes to perch or sit on high branches without falling even while sleeping. This is called perching. That is why these birds are called perching bird. Wading birds. Some birds do not swim but walk through water. Such birds have long, slender legs that allow them to walk slowly through water without getting wet. The spread out toes prevent the birds from skidding into the muddy water. Cranes, herons, and sandpipers are wading birds. Next is scratching birds. Hen, rooster, and peacock have hard and sharp claws. Their hard claws help them to scratch and dig the ground and pull out insects and worms. Now next is flesh-eating birds. Eagle, vultures are example flesh-eating birds. They have strong and sharp claws are called talons. They use their talons to catch live rats, toads and other small animals and hold their prey between their talons while flying. Now I explain wings and feathers. Birds have wings and feathers. They have a pair of wings and a tail covered with feathers. In most kind of birds, the feathers help them to fly. Feathers are different shapes, size and colors and they form different patterns. Besides making birds appear beautiful, feathers serve other purpose too. Feathers are of 3 types: flight feathers, body feathers and down feathers. Do you know kids what is flight feathers, body feathers and down feathers? Okay, I explain. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are long and flat found in the wings and tails. They help the bird to fly. Body feathers. Body feathers cover the outside of bird's body. These feathers give the bird its shape and colors. Down feathers. Down feathers are small and fluffy. They are present under the flight feathers. They keep the body of the birds warm. Many birds' body are covered with down feathers when they are born. So, do you know, kids, how birds fly? Most birds can fly. Here are some features that add flight in flying birds. Look at the picture, kids. A light body made up of whole bones. A boat-shaped body that usually moves through airs. Wings are attached to a bird's body with strong muscles that help the wings move up and down and forward and backward, causing flight. Moving the wings upward and backward is called upstroke movement. Moving the wings downward and forward is called downstroke movement. Feathers covering the wings help in flight while the tail helps to change direction while flying. Ostrich, emu, kiwi and penguin are some flightless birds because they have heavy body will not support flying. Birds such as hen, turkeys and peacock can fly only short distance because their bodies are heavy for flying long distance. Birds such as pigeons, sparrow and crows can fly long distance. Birds such as sparrow and mynah fly at very low distance, low, high and low distance. Eagle, vultures or kites fly at a great height. They have sharp eyesights to see their prey on the ground and they are called preying birds or birds of prey. It's what makes birds fly? Once more repeated this chapter. Wings help to fly. Feather keep it warm. Tail helps in changing direction. Light bones help to keep it light. Boat-shaped body help to move through airs. So kids, go through learn the chapter and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.